Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today's a really quick tomato basil pesto pizza. It's on that Brooklyn bread again. I have more of that, so I figured I would use it up. So for today's recipe, we got that we have actually basil spice, basil pesto. We have a vine ripe tomato. We have that Brooklyn bread, which I told you is really good. Pizza cheese and pizza sauce. So I'm going to take these Brooklyn breads and I'm going to put it right into this pan and warm it up, and then I'll put the toppings on. It's going to be just like the other one I did the other day. Alright, Facebook and YouTube. So you can see I have 3 of those pieces. I cut them up until equally the same size. You could do what you want. If you wanted to cut them in strips or little squares, make square pieces, you can. But I'm going to actually take these with butter and put it back in the pan. I'm not going to bore you with the same steps again. You've seen it the other day. I'm actually only going to make 2 of these. I'm not going to make the third one. I'll tell you one thing. The other day I had somebody's left over another package. I put them in butter and I cooked them on both sides and let it cool, and it was good just to eat like kind of like a garlic bread, a snack pizza. So I'm gonna work on these 2. I'm gonna put them in the pan like this, and I'm gonna warm them with butter, and I'll be back. After that, we'll top it and then we'll bake it. It's another quick one, 6 minutes or less. All right, I said I wasn't gonna bore you with that, but I'll just show you real quick what I'm gonna do. Sorry, I'm tongue-tied for words here today. So you hear that sizzle. I'm going to just warm these up on the bottom. And you could do it on top here, but I'm going to do both pieces and then we'll make the pesto tomato pizza. Yeah, you know me with live recording. I don't edit anything. I figured I would come back and just show you. I'm taking the spatula and I'm just warming this bread on both sides. So just try to darken it. Just try to give it a little bit of a glaze on both sides in butter. And then here's the other one that I did. So if you want, you could cook this on a pizza stone in the oven, but I like doing it like this. Be back. All right, so we're back. We're just gonna I know with like traditional best pesto pizza, you don't use pizza sauce, but I'm just going to put a fine layer of pizza sauce on here. Then after that, we'll throw on some, we'll actually put on the pesto. So the thing you're going to want to do is, like I said, take your spoon and just lightly coat the thing, and then we'll put the pesto on top. If you want, you could skip the pizza sauce and just go straight to the pesto. It's all up to you. Alright, so we put on that pizza sauce. You can see that I just put it on thinly. I can put a lot. So now go to your basil pesto. And you can see the quality of this. You're going to just want to spread this out. So do the same on both pieces, or as many pieces you're doing. Just spread that pesto out. So I'll be back. All right, YouTube and Facebook, you can see that I spread the pesto on there. And like I said, if you wanted to leave out the pizza sauce, you can, but with both combinations, you're gonna have a unique taste. So now we're going to just top this with pizza cheese, mozzarella, or whatever cheese you want. Alright, so take your pizza cheese and just start spreading it on both pieces. And then after that, we'll top it with sliced tomato and some basil spice. I wish I had basil leaves. I forgot to buy that yesterday. So just coat both of them with the cheese of your choice. I'm using pizza cheese. I found out that that's the best taste, and it melts good. All right, YouTube and Facebook, I'm back. Like the tomato I have had was actually overripe, so I had to make the best of it. You can see it. So just put your tomato on top. And if you want it, you could throw some more basil. You could throw some more pesto on top, but I'm gonna leave it. Now I'm gonna get the basil spice. All right, Facebook and YouTube, you can see that I have the tomato on there. If you want it, you could throw some more cheese on there, or you could throw more pesto on top, but I'm gonna leave it like this. Now, just to add a little bit more flavor, I'm gonna add some basil spice on top. Like I said, I wish I had fresh basil, the leaves. That would make it much better. So now we're gonna take that spatula and we're gonna move it to the pan, and we're gonna cover, and then we're gonna melt the cheese. All right, Facebook and YouTube, you can see that's back. So if you want, like I said, you could add more stuff to it. Now you're gonna just want to take the cover and put the cover on. Now we're going to turn the stove on to medium. We're going to turn the stove on to medium, and we're just going to melt that cheese, and then we're going to plate it, and we're done. So that's how you can make a basil tomato pizza on Brooklyn Bred in like 6-7 minutes. All right, YouTube and Facebook, that's how you make vine ripe tomato and basil pesto pizza on Brooklyn Bred in like 6 or 7 minutes. I actually think if you weren't holding the camera and doing step by step, I think you could really do it in 5 minutes. But this pizza tastes awesome. You have the pizza sauce on the bottom with the pesto on top, and then you have that pizza sauce, and you have the vine ripe tomatoes. But you could modify this recipe. You can do it whatever way you want. All right, YouTube and Facebook, here's the final look at that. But this is the first time I experimented with Brooklyn Bred, today and the other day. I'm going to be buying it a lot more. I'm not a spokesman for them, but this tastes good. I mean, this looks good and tastes good. So thanks for visiting my channel, Facebook and YouTube. I'm going to continue Pizza Week, or maybe it'll become Pizza Month. I'm not going to do pizza every recipe, but I'm going to try to get away from the hot dogs and hamburgers for a bit. I might mix a couple in here and there because there's still like 1 or 2 more weeks of summer where I live. But I really want to go with pizza. Everyone loves pizza, and I want to try to make a Hawaiian pizza one day. So Pizza Week probably will turn out to Pizza Month, but instead of boring you with pizza, I will mix it up with different things. So thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe. Hit the bell for updates each week. You at least get 3 updates a week. You could get 4 or 5. It depends on my schedule. But you at least get 3. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I promise you that. As long as I don't have a family emergency or personal emergency. But thanks for visiting my channel. I'll talk to you soon. Peace out. Love you.